Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do a quick install video of Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 fairing speakers. So my idea here was pretty simple actually. I wanted to replace stock speakers for something a little bit better. Outside of going to a full-on amp, maybe a head unit and new speakers, I didn't really want to spend a lot of money, number one, and I didn't want to get into the substantial replacement of the audio system on the Road Glide Special. So let's quickly take a look at the Rockford Fosgate speakers and get installed on the bike. Alright guys, so I already took the speakers out of the box, and this is what you get for a Stage 2 kit. You get two new speakers. Obviously you can see the new, pretty nice tweeters on it, and two new grills that specifically say Rockford Fosgate on them, and obviously a new set of screws. So let's go ahead and remove the stock ones and get these installed on the bike. Alright, so removing the stock grill is pretty simple. Just get a little plastic pry bar, just get underneath it, and pops right up. Alright, so you get two clips, and this kind of goes on the inside of the fairing. Alright, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. So these bolts are Torx 25. Alright guys, just a quick comparison of this stock versus the Rockford Fosgate. As you can see clearly, substantially larger magnet on the back, and of course single tweeter versus the dual tweet. Alright, let's go ahead and install it back on the bike. Alright, the moment of truth. Let's hear what this thing sounds like. I'm gonna try to pick royalty-free. Alright guys, quick impression. It does sound deeper and bassier than the stock. The sound is pretty clear all the way to the max, no distortion whatsoever. Alright guys, so that will do it for today. If this video was useful to some of you, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care.